Hi guys, it's Luke. I'm back and I'm making my new series of Cook Along with Kids. Right, today we're making a gorgeous camp coffee tipsy pudding. The ingredients are 3 eggs, 6 ounces of self-raising flour, 6 ounces of caster sugar, 6 ounces of butter. And the things that you need to make it are 1 wooden spoon, 1 large mixing bowl, 1 oven dish, and a paper towel to take up all the butter and grease the oven dish. What I love about this pudding is it's so easy and simple to make because you can do it any order you like. So my favourite order is doing the flour first. Making a little well in the middle. Okay, I need to crack my eggs. Okay, so I've done those eggs. Now, put them into my little well. Make it a bit bigger because this one's small. 1, 2. Doesn't matter if they go into flour. It's very simple. And then just mix those eggs in. Be careful that the flour doesn't come out. That's the mistake I always make. So I've just got to carry on mixing these in. Got a bit out there. Okay, then I'm going to add my butter. I've slightly microwaved this so that it's just a little bit softer and easier to work with. So I'll put that in. And then just mix that down until it's all mixed into the flour. I know it looks dry, but we're going to add the sugar. Sorry, wet, not dry. Add the sugar. And that's what it should look like so far. And you just got to beat all those lumps out. But don't beat it too much because it won't rise because you need some air in there. So I finished mixing that. Now I need to grease my dish with the residue from the butter. Let's get a good bit of butter. Spread it out like that. Not too much, because otherwise it would just be too wet. Okay, so that's done. Now, all I have to do, put my mixture in, pop it in the oven. Just get the rest of that out with my spatula. Oh, this is a really nice spatula. Gets all of it out. Okay, so almost done. You need to get every last bit. More to eat. Okay, so try not to make as messy a job as I've done, so otherwise it'll just stick to the sides. Okay, and then put that in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes in 180 degrees. In an Aga, just in the baking oven, same time. You really thought it was just a plain sponge? Well, no, these are the secret ingredients. So here I have 1 tablespoon, some French brandy. You can use brandy or rum. Some canned coffee, 6 ounces of sugar, and half a pint of water. Now, this is a little more, well, less simple. It has an order. Firstly, you need to dissolve the sugar into the hot water. Now you need to stir that until all the sugar has been dissolved. Now this is quite a thorough job. I enjoy doing it. It's nice to see when the sugar crystals have all been dissolved. Okay, so you need it so that you can't really, so it's sort of translucent. And you can't feel any of the sugar granules or see any of the sugar granules. Okay, so I need 3 tablespoons of canned coffee. It's a very thick liquid, I wouldn't worry. Okay. Might as well finish that off. There's only a tiny bit left. So in my case, 3 and a bit. And then just get that in. So it should be like a very dark brown colour. Now, the brandy. Find some good brandy because it's nice. There we go. And that's 2 tablespoons. And just mix that inside. And then that's ready to pour over the top. You're just going to leave it to sit for a while. Okay, so this is ready now, so I'm just going to take this out. Put it onto my cooling tray. Okay, now, this is where a lot of people go wrong. Hang on, I'll just turn the oven off. This is where a lot of people go wrong because they think this is too much liquid, but it does look a lot. But pour it in slowly. Now, it looks like a lot of liquid, but that will all soak in. I think I can finish that. There we are. That, I promise you, that will all soak in and it will be delicious. Okay, so this has been sat here for about 5-10 minutes, and as you see, I told you, it's all soaked through. Okay, so I'm going to serve this little generous portion of it. You've got to get some of the liquid and juicy bit underneath. And I'm going to serve this with a lovely helping of delicious vanilla ice cream. I've been soaking that in hot water so it comes out very easy. See? Delicious.